What up, YouTube? Back at it again. Got another video. Today, working on the fuel tanks. They would not run even. I changed everything. The fuel lines from up under there, new fuel lines. Still nothing. So, we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way. With the shut-off valves when they just run evenly. Got a 1/2 inch. All these fittings 1/2 inches with the 1/2 inch line. And yeah, so I already started draining the fuel out with the pumps all to that side. And when I get done, I'm gonna shut it off and move them back. But just a little update is how to change, how to make your fuel tanks run evenly. Stay tuned. Remember this on a Kenworth W900. Alright, so got the shut-off valve. That's open. Closed. Got everything all tightened up. Real tight. Put some tape on this end. There, go ahead and push that on in. Hold that right there. Damn. Do it like this then. Get that good. Around the threads. Push that all up in there. Alright. Here we go. Put it on the other side of the drain hole. This one has two, so I had to take out the other side. Because for me to be able to twist it all the way around, it won't be able to with this drain plug in it. So, twist it on it by hand. So let me go ahead and tighten it down. Keep y'all updated on the next day. Alright, y'all, got the fitting line how I probably want it. I'm gonna adjust it once I put this fuel line up under here. Got the fitting in. On and off valve, 1/2 inch. So yeah, now it's time for the fuel line. I got the 90 degrees, so it's going to wrap around to that end. So keep y'all updated, y'all. Alright, before I send the other fuel line to run them across, I did buy some of this plastic protector for nothing to rub on it. So I'm putting this on now before it be hard to, when I got to climb up under the truck and put it on. So I have to do it now. Push down on it. Go ahead. I'm gonna put zip ties on once I get done, but this is the start of it, y'all. Alright, y'all can see got zip ties all the way around. Now it's time to mount up these lines on this side and transfer the fuel over to this tank before I can work on that side. It's just a little update. Alright, y'all, just a little update. Transferring the fuel from that side to this side. Got my line on. And hook it up on that side. Then I'm going to hang everything up together nice and neat. This is how you could get it running even. So you can just open both sides and it's going to flow nice and easy. And if you do got it, something happens, bust the line, you got the shut-off valve to cut them off. Just one way to do it. A cheaper way than trying to keep on paying for different parts and parts that still is not working. So, I changed the fuel regulator up in there, right there. Still nothing. I got new lines, nothing. Just wasting money, so I'm just do it this way. And I know it's for sure gonna work. So, Keep y'all updated when I get finished. Alright, another update. Got both the valves open. Y'all can see it's filling up. So it sure run even now, y'all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for some more videos. Owner operator working on his own trucks, y'all.